So guys, I am unboxing my books and it says Cyboard, India's best online school, box of fun. Let's see what's inside. It really looks like box of fun. It has maths book, it has mathematics, and it has stationery, oil pastels, and Cyboard is book, an English workbook, EVS course book, and it has EVS workbook, and it has Hindi workbook, Hindi course book. Now these are the notebooks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the art and crafts notebook. 4 workbooks, 4 course books, and 4 notebooks. It has yellow color fairy gum. It has earbuds, some small cups, cotton ribbon, and domes oil pastels. It has sketches and it has pencils, oil pastels, color pencils, sketches, and colored papers and glittered papers. And it has dry watercolors and so many stationery. And it has googly eyes. It has a letter for parents too. Dear parents, greetings from Cyboard School. We have appreciate and thank you for entrusting us with the responsibility of nurturing and grooming your precious ones. We are looking forward to a productive partnership with you to ensure our children achieve their highest potential. It also the time to introduce cyber education programs. We are hurriedly sharing with you all required resources. Help us save through this year productivity. Stay safe. Thank you.